Hey, this is Charles, and thanks for checking out this Sara Finance affiliate marketing course review. You might have run into this because you want to make a difference. You want to possibly change your financial future or your lifestyle. So hopefully by the end of this review, you'll be able to determine whether or not this is right for you. And if you stick to the end, I'm going to provide you with a free gift that will help you make passive income online using the latest business automation technology. Who am I? My name is Charles Draven. I'm here in Silicon Valley, and I've been building online businesses for well over a decade. And the way I got started was that I had a traditional business. I was a financial consultant. I tried to bridge it with online business by doing some paid ads. So I started to send a lot of paid ads my way. In fact, the first night I did it, I let it run overnight and I lost well over a grand. And that's because I didn't know any better. And I learned a lot from that process, of course. But then when I had my kid, I realized that I wasn't able to meet up with people on their own time, and I wasn't able to call and do the typical work that I was able to do, especially when I was single. And I realized that I had to change my lifestyle. I realized that I needed something that was more sustainable, where I could make money just about any time and anywhere. And this, of course, it led me to do some research, and I realized that there were a lot of businesses out there that were either very complex or didn't make me money. And then I wanted to explore more simpler, flexible business models. And just to let you know that I am not an affiliate of Sara Finance, and I do not make money directly from talking about her offer. So let's go ahead and get started here. The company that I'm introducing is Sara Finance. That's what she goes by, her alias, Sara Finance, and she offers an affiliate marketing course, and it's designed to help people earn substantial income online. And this course equips you with tools and strategies to succeed in affiliate marketing. So the unique selling proposition is that it's comprehensive, it's step by step, and it's combined with this process of promoting affiliate marketing using your affiliate links that enable you to earn money, hopefully quickly. That is the main idea. But affiliate marketing, I'll just let you know up front that it's a business and it takes time to learn. And I don't think it's like a get rich quick overnight scheme. So I'm not going to say that it is a quick journey. The course, it's founded by Sara Finance. She's very well known, especially in the finance realm, and she's been able to transition from her traditional work and achieve impressive results. And there are, of course, people that will say that they've made some very good money following her system, earning commissions through their affiliate links. And then how much does it cost to get started? So first of all, it's $297. In the grand scheme of things, $297, it's not a lot of money. You'll be spending minimal upfront from 0 to 500, depending on what angle you want to go with your business and the marketing efforts, strategies that you want to utilize. So the final question here is that is it a scam? Sara Finance Affiliate Marketing Course is a legitimate program that has helped many students achieve success. So let's talk about some of the strengths here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through something that is called SWOT analysis, where we talk about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and the threats. So first of all, $297 is relatively low, and it's a program that beginners can utilize, and it covers a wide variety of aspects of affiliate marketing. And then you get lifetime access, where you can revisit the materials at any time. So here are the weaknesses. The course lacks live mentoring support. Some users find the content basic and not in-depth. There is no refund policy, which may deter some potential students. And so that's a big deal for anyone who's just starting out and they just want to test the waters. So just keep in mind, don't expect a refund if you want one. And then here are the opportunities for this course for its future. The market for online marketing, affiliate marketing, it's growing over time. There was a time where I felt like, it was not as big as a lot of the new business strategies that are coming out. But with the advent of social media, a lot of influencers promoting affiliate products, it's actually a very growing industry. And this course equips students with skills to tap into various niches, and students can leverage social media for increased reach and sales. So there's a huge opportunity for people that are going to use this course if they choose to. So what are the threats? The affiliate marketing space is, of course, it's competitive. It makes it challenging for people that are newcomers. Market trends can shift, impacting the profitability of certain niches. Potential scams in the industry could lead to skepticism amongst prospective students. And here's my opinion. While Sara Finance Affiliate Marketing course provides valuable insights, there are more comprehensive programs available that offer greater support and advanced strategies. So you might be wondering, is there anything better? In my opinion, it's high ticket affiliate marketing offers the ability to have time, location, and financial freedom, making it attractive for those seeking independence. And again, this is something that I am really focused on, where I want to create both types of actually there's actually three types of freedom that I'm seeking is location, time, and financial freedom. And so one of the big deals, what makes this very special, is that commissions are high. So I'm talking about three figures, four figures, and sometimes even five figures. And I'm talking about per sale. So instead of promoting something, like let's say somebody decides to promote some $100 beauty product where the commissions are like let's 6%, which is $6. It's relatively low compared to something where you can make 10 times that per sale, close to. And so the thing here is that high ticket products, it attracts a certain demographic, which is smaller than just the average affiliate that is trying to look for free offers, whether it's on ClickBank or Amazon. So while the barrier to entry is greater than just hopping into a free affiliate offer, thing is that it actually works to your advantage because there are less affiliates promoting in the space. So scalability allows growth with fewer sales needed to reach income goals. Flexibility lets you work from anywhere, set your own schedule. Less competition means a better chance to stand out in the market. So a lot of great benefits here. And so if you want to learn more about building a high ticket affiliate business, I do have a free gift for you, as I mentioned in the beginning. So all you have to do is check out the first pinned comment in this video and you'll be able to get my free gift. Again, it teaches you how to build an affiliate marketing business and use some very killer technology. And this is it for Sara Finance's affiliate marketing course review. Thank you for watching.